Hey there, my name is Jake and welcome to Waterstone Fitness. Today we are doing a quick 5-minute high-intensity interval training workout. It's going to be a 3-level burpee workout. You just need an open space to get set up. When you hear that beep, that means 10 seconds left, and we're going to then have a 3, 2, 1. It's 40 seconds on, 20-second rest. Starting off with burpee level 1. So hands down, step back, step up, arms go up. We're doing this for 40 seconds. Simple as that. Step up, arms go up. This is just a quick warm-up. Get ourselves set up. It's going to get harder. Don't worry about that. Step back, step up, arms go up. Make sure as you're raising your arms up and stepping back. We'll make it a little bit harder. You can jump your feet out. Step up, down. This is just a warm-up. We're getting going. 10 seconds left. Keep going back and forth. Don't stop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you've got 20 seconds of rest. We're going to be doing pulsing jump squats. So it looks like this. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. We're doing that for 40 seconds. Going in 10 seconds. Take a breath in. And exhale. There we go. In 3, 2, 1. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. You can add the hands in. Down, pulse, jump. 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 That's halfway. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. 15 seconds left. Down, pulse, jump. Down, pulse, jump. That's 10 seconds left. Down, pulse, jump. Legs run by air. Down, pulse, jump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next is going to be burpee level 2. So this one's going to add a little bit of a jump in. We're going to go down, step back, jump up, small jump like that. We're going to go in 10 seconds, getting ready to go. If it's ever too hard, you can always stay with level 1 where you just step back and walk up. 1, burpee level 2, down, jump, back, up, 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 down, jump, back, up. That's halfway, 20 seconds left. Breathe in and out, 15 seconds left. If you get tired, take a big deep breath in, keep going, 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Okay, next is going to be mountain climbers. So get down in push-up position, right here. Opposite knee to the opposite elbow, back and forth. Do that for 40 seconds. Down the floor. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back and forth. Get contact on every switch, even if you're stepping back and forth like this. Come on, that's 10 seconds done. Doing great. Get contact. Keep moving back and forth. Keep your butt down. Don't let your butt raise up. It's 20 seconds. Almost done. Keep it moving. Bring up the pace for the last 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next is going to be level 3 burpee. So this one has a tuck jump to it. So it's down, back, do a push up, and tuck jump. Last move of the workout is where it gets hard. You ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, back, push up, tuck jump, 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 quiet landing, down, push up, tuck jump, come on, we're halfway done, 15 seconds left, push it, get 3 more, up, down, back, push up, tuck jump, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last one, 2, 1, and That's the end of the workout. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Calm the breath. Consciously control your breath. Get yourself back down. Deep breaths in. Calm it down. Try to focus on your heart rate. Bring it down. Try to hold that breath for just a quarter second longer than you want to. Hold it at the bottom. In. Out. And out. Just breathing, calming it down. That right there, total body, quick 5-minute high intensity interval training. If you like this workout, go ahead and click subscribe. To get daily workouts delivered to you, sign up at waterstonefitness.com. I'm Jake, thanks so much for working out with me, and as always, thanks for getting better.